ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। जय रूपा सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ श्रीजीवगोपाल भट्ट दास रघुनाथ। एछय गोसाई करी चरणबंदन जाओते विघ्ननाश अभीष्टपूरन। महाभावस्वरूपतम कृष्णप्रिया वरीयसी ब्रह्मभक्ति प्रदेवी राधिके तां नमाम्यहं। राधे वृंदावनाधीशे करुणामृतवाहिनी कृपया निजपदाब्ज दास्यं मह्यं प्रदीयतां। वन्दे नन्दव्रजस्त्रीणां पादरेणुमभीक्ष्णश जसां हरि कथोद्गीतं पुनाति भुवनत्रयं। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य दयाल प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। बोलो श्री गुरु जी महाराज की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, अनंत अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, सपार्षद गौर हरि की जय, गौर नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय, जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा सुदर्शन जीव की जय, तदीय रथ यात्रा महामहोत्सव की जय। जय क्षेत्रमंडल गौड़मंडल ब्रजमंडल की जय। जय भक्त विघ्न विनाशन कारणी नृसिंहदेव की जय। भक्तराज प्रहलाद महाराज की जय। सर्वभिष्ट प्रदाता गिरिराज गोवर्धन जीव की जय। गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की जय। ब्रजमंडल धाम की जय। ब्रजवासी भक्तवृंद की जय। ब्रजेश्वरी मधेश्वरी प्राणेश्वरी श्रीमती राधारानी की जय। ब्रजदेवीगण की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। समवेत गौर भक्तवृंद की जय। जय भक्ति कमल मधुसूदन गोस्वामी महाराज तिरुभाव तिथि महोत्सव की जय। जय तिरुभाव तिथि पालनकारी भक्तवृंद की जय। गौर प्रमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। ओ कृष्ण जय जय। Today is Prabhupada Thakur, near and dearest, this Bhakti Kamal Madhusudan Goswami Maharaj, his disappears day. Before Brahmachari's name, Narottananda Brahmachari. Prabhupada Thakur like 1935, 11th May, this Narottananda Brahmachari is forgiving some Vishwa Vaishnava Rasvatu, some surname Upadhi and some letter. He is saying Narottananda Brahmachari Vara Sudhi Guru Goranga Sadbhakta Yukto Nana Guneropi श्री गौड़ीयमठम नित्यम मुंबई परिस्थितं संस्थितं सेवते श्रद्धा समज्ञ एकांतिका इमलाशय धाम प्रचारणी संसद सभ्य तस्मै प्रदीयते भक्ति कमल इत्येत उपाधि भूषण मुदा गंगा पूर्व तटस्थ नवद्वीप स्थले परे मायापुर धामस्थ पूर्ण जोगपीठोत्तमे रथेषु वसु शुभ्रांशु शब्दे शकाब्दे विगते शुभे फाल्गुनी पूर्णिमायां गौराविर्भाव वासरे. After Gaur Purnima, Prabhupada Srila Thakur giving him one certificate himself. He is telling his name before Narottamananda Brahmachari. He is giving him surname Bhakti Kamal. Like lotus smell everywhere. Lotus very soft and helpful for honey everybody's. So Narottam Brahmachari, Guru and Gauranga, he is himself like a lotus, offering their feet. He is very soft and everybody making soft, sweet. Flower nature, flower never hard, will be dry, never also not will be hard. Also smell, honey continue 1 year, 2 year, 10 year you saving, no problem. So telling this, Guru and Gauranga and Bhakta, everybody happy with him. He pleasing everybody. And Gaudiya Math, any Gaudiya Math has, nobody never criticizing, insulting him. His nature, anybody is near going, he making Vaishnava. Complete changing. This is his Vaishnavajam. I have humility, another person will be hard and rough. No. How that person also will be humble. Nadavi Sunis. And Bhaktis, all special qualities have come in. I have Guru Bhakti, I have Guru Seva for desire, Bhakta Seva for desire, Mahaprabhu Seva for desire, then this mood is spreading, everybody is near. So Prabhupada Srila Thakur telling, he is Bhakti Kamal. He is lotus. Everybody like he, all times Prabhupada Srila Thakur, all specialties, he not glorify, he is, everybody is spreading and distributing. This is Sevak, disciples called. Disciples continue, Guru Bhakti, he is distributing. Guru Maharaj glory is distributing. And everybody is cooling, everybody is being qualified. Otherwise, I am giving my qualities, then everybody will be contaminated. Guru Paramparas, all special qualities I am distributing, then that things is powerful. I will be connected in Guru Parampara. Therefore, our Parampara, this Krishna ite Chaturmukha. Krishna to Brahma, Madhyacharya, Vyasa, Narada, after Mahaprabhu and all line. The everyday disciples rules, he is like his flower is blooming, then fragrance is going, smell is going everywhere. So anybody worshipping Gurudev, worshipping Guru Parampara, following Guru Parampara, that person definitely giving smell, foresight everybody's, and cooling everybody. Anybody not will be disturbed and angry. That meanings, like myself is, Gurudev all time Mathura telling, your name not Premananda, this is wrong. Your name is Krodhananda, this is good. Why? He know I am firehouse, more than welcome. I am disturbing everybody. A nonsense nature. So he is all time telling me. Also he is telling, you 100 to 100% tell lie all time, cheating everybody. Great cheater. He is giving announcement in class. Nobody going is near. Nobody talking with him. We are going and then he is cheating. Definitely. Never telling truthful things. So this is my certificate. I say yes, this is my certificate. This one is all time carrying in my life. This is good. Why? Guru Varga, then I am fallen, useless, they thinking about me. I am good, then nobody care me. Stupid nonsense, everybody beating, spitting, hating. This is better. Possible their blesses one day. So here is saying, Bhakti Kamal, Ityad upadhi bhushanam muda. Prabhupada Srila Thakur giving. Also, he is our beloved Gurudev, Shiksha Guru. Pujyapad Trivikram Maharaj, Shiksha Guru. After Prabhupada Srila Thakur disappears, he came within Param Gurudev, Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. He is staying with him. But he is staying, but he going continue prachar. He know good Hindi, Sanskrit, English, his language very nice. And he very smooth Bhagavad classes giving, hearing people. They thinking, I am hearing like Sukdev Goswami is near. Like he is speaking. So that time, British with India fighting. Big fight. And British is catching people and hanging. Otherwise, what is doing, you know, this wall. Wall inside is cement and bricks with it. They making, like it's fixing, wall making. Many. Otherwise, shooting all. They try. That time, our beloved Gurudev, he is that time police inspector. But before his CBI, then IV, after giving his government, British government him, this Bihar, Odisha and Bengal, half, 3, everything like his government. His near is only checking, he giving government 2 horses, one black, one white, and Sevak, horse take care for. He is going everywhere and checking who is against the British. Why is British government working? Now he is going. Then Bhakti Kamal Madhusudan Maharaj, that time he came first, Jasiri Devghar, he is giving Harikatha class, huge people coming. And after he came, Devghar to Patna. Patna, big city. There he is giving Harikatha. Then government sending him. He was doing inquiry, what is he speaking, what is saying. He is political man, who are he? Then Gurudev, white dress, like Sanatana Goswami come and meeting within Mahaprabhu. Hussain Shah Badshah sending. Hussain Shah Badshah first is sending Keshav Khan. After sending other Kazi, Uzir, Nazir, all are. But there is, all are crying and chanting Harinam. All are is going, then Hussain Shah Badshah not coming. Say, I am going, then I am also changing, then he has mystic power. Then sending Dabir Khas and Sakar Malik. You go, you checking. So they are night time came. Dress changing, only white cloth wearing, one down and one is chador and one gift with this. This is only Jiva Goswami, only small baby. Taking left, thinking, going for, moving for here and there, but secretly going Mahaprabhu's near and offering. Mahaprabhu says, who are he? Who is the Jiva? This is your. They are saying your. That time too, the name is Jiva. Mahaprabhu asking, Jiva is, who is Jiva this? Then say your. Okay. Mahaprabhu's near, before Kavikonda Guru Goswami like this offering. Next Jiva Goswami, they offering. They do, his name is Jiva. Say Jiva. Okay. Now, same Gurudev, his white suit, boot, left, only dhoti and one shirt and one chadar with his came. But he is long time to watching, nice sadhu. He has desire. I am hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam, only books is reading, then you cannot understanding anything. This is Rasa Shastra, but Rasa Patra needed. No Rasa Patra, Vaishnava, Bhagavat, Mahabhagavat, then not speaking Bhagavat. Bhagavat speaking Bhagavat. Then Maharaj's desire, before he is hearing Bhagavatam. Now Madhusudan Maharaj looking, very big assembly, big town hall, there he is speaking Harikatha. Maharaj coming every day with his assistant, but all are white dress and front of sitting and hearing all Harikatha. But that time Gaudiya Math chanting Hare Krishna to Mahamantra. And Gita Parish Gorakhpur and Bihar, UP, all are chanting Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, then Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. First Maharaj is asking, you are chanting Hare Krishna first, why? Ram is Treta Yuga king, and Krishna, Dwapar Yuga king. Then Muslim are smiling. He is all time speaking Harikatha, smiling. Very sweet face. Also sweet like his fragrance coming here, like sign and ray coming. He is here sitting, you cannot believe this, how is sadhu. So Maharaj smiling and telling, first one, two, then three. The first is one is Kali Yuga, 4,32,000 years. Double is Dwapar, third, triple is Treta, fourth time is Satya Yuga. So who is one first? Kali Yuga first, second Dwapar. You are asking Treta is first? No. Treta is third time. Second time is Dwapar. After he is this glorified Mahamantra. This is like coaching class after Bhagavatam. Then Madhusudan Narottam Prabhu that time very happy, inspired with him. Many questions he is asking. He know all Ramayana, Gurudev already. All Shastra he is reading. Bhagavatam many times reading. But Maharaj is asking question. Maharaj like is cooling and pacifying, and also like as it is. Very happy. Also he is every time sending trunk or book, Param Gurudev. Oh, I am finding one jewel. Very nice one. Scholar. I am bringing your near, then I am thinking Prabhupada will be very happy. This is Prabhupada for will be very nice gift. Why? They have Prabhupada with his very strong love and strong relation. Anything they finding, they offering on Guru Madhva. Sarvesham Guru Dadat. These rules. Anything is good things, anything is come. Finding you, offering Gurudev. Then Gurudev is like Prabhupada Srishtakur giving Diksha. That time he is Brahmachari, he is not Sannyasi. He is offering where? Sending Bansidhar Babaji Maharaj, sending Gurushathar Babaji Maharaj. After his taking sannyasi later, 1988, 1918. Before he is Brahmachari, but he is giving Diksha. So, now Gurudev with his talking, and after inviting, you come to Navadvip Dham, Mahaprabhu's holy Dham. Then he asking about Mahaprabhu, Gaur Nitai, and also this question Maharaj asking, this Kali Yuga, no any incarnation God, God himself not coming. Only Kalki avatar. So how Mahaprabhu is God? Then Madhusudan Maharaj, very intelligent, very qualified, like more than 100 verses with his, he is giving Maharaj near his answer. That day, first day, Maharaj all writing note, all. And his meeting after, Maharaj say, I am gone duty, my mind is that not happy. Only one desire, how can I meeting with this sadhu, Guru Varga? Why? Their own family. Sadhu's family, sadhu. God family, God with his love. Not personal material love. Maharaj say, I am come duty, my mind is disturbed. No like I am thinking, I am giving resign. Then he is saying, I am giving resign house. House people is very disturbed. Oh, qualified, lot of money, respect, and you are governing like governor, lot of your name and fame, and all will be very rich. Families desire, but Gurudev not agree. He say, I am giving resign. He is giving resign letter, but British not accepting. They refuse. No. Then partner, this one big one, there is court case come. some political, then all are asking Maharaj, big library, huge big library. This library has file, and now today judge is telling this file in need. Government PP, they are asking, you bring file. Then all are disturbed. But it is very strong. Little bit you are neglect here, this way. At a time they hanging, other is shooting. Nothing more. So then all are calling Gurudev, you come please, you helping us. Then he came, he said, okay, I am closing eyes and I am chanting and praying, and I am going, I am touching this same as it is file coming, thousand file. Maharaj is chanting this name, his holy name of God, and going, touching, this file is come. That day Maharaj say, okay, today last day, I am giving resign, no more work. God all time helping me, but I am not serving God. I am only serving family. No. That day is last day. He is giving resign letter, not telling anybody. His come house people is very disturbed. And that night he is catching one Goa passenger train, and he is come Navadvip Dham. Also Param Gurudev night time sending my Guru Maharaj, hey Sajjan, go. This Tewari coming, officer coming, this train with it. No light, you go within one hurricane, lantern, and bringing him ashram. Param Gurudev not sleeping. 12:30, 1 o'clock this train coming. And Navadvip station has no electricity, only this kerosene oil lamp. That time. Then train come, my Guru Maharaj is this side to this side platform, asking who is Tewari? Who is Tewari? They don't know any name more, but only name, no Tewari. Madhusudan Maharaj gone prachar for this Trivikram Maharaj village. That time Trivikram Maharaj in special one scholar, meaning this ordinary his mentality, and his very rich house, he is born, rich family. He has big business, many company, wood merchanter, also that time, first time in India, candle, Mombatti, this candle factory, and he has many landlord, but his grandfather is came in Barsana Nandagam Brajadham. Then this family has, rich family has no children. Then he is telling, Radharani is in a promise, Barsana, I am giving, first children is born, I am offering you, giving my family one children. Then he is born, then giving his name Radhika Charan Das, Radhanath, after Param Gurudev giving Radhanath Das, Odhikari. But first is Radhika Charan. Narottam Nanda Prabhu gone prachar, Gaur Purnima Bhiksha time, there is crowd. All are came, many young boys. Trivikram Maharaj is leader. And Trivikram Maharaj attacking. How many types of questions? Trivikram Maharaj many times telling. He is asking question, Madhusudan Maharaj smiling and giving answer and cooling and cutting, not possible next arguing. If all question answer. After all young boys, the surprise, how is his Pandit, scholar, qualified? So this telling, he came, his here is writing this. His get birth in Brahmin family in Faridpur, Bangladesh. His father name Parvatinath Sannal, mother name Bhaktimati Swarnamai Devi. He is Rigvediya Brahman, Varandasini. His village Bajitpur, all Brahmin. Before Maharaj name Nipendranath Sannal, but after his giving this name Prabhupada Narottomananda Prabhu, his golden complexion also telling 1921 is Calcutta City College, his this all university complete. After 1925, his editor in magazine Amrita Bazar newspaper, his big this editor, and all time printing all things. Then Mahaprabhu's this followers, Prabhupada and Prabhupada followers, all are his going preaching for. But anybody hearing this Vaishnava Dharma name, qualified people, they are no like. Why? This Vaishnava Dharma like is making this contaminate all. People tilak, mala, wearing, but doing nonsense things. But Prabhupada Sasthakur in that time is Calcutta Bagh Bazar. And Prabhupada lectures and Prabhupada this big this meeting in Calcutta. This newspaper is going sometime. Why? British time, his Prabhupada is British, they are inviting, there is also his giving answer, classes, very nice, Harikatha. So, sometime Kolkata Bagh Bazar arranging Gaudiya some program. That time Prabhupada speaking Harikatha. The Prabhupada near is this Narottomananda Nipendranath Sannal hearing Harikatha, and after his inside is Harikatha hearing, and inside is he feeling my near his own power is come. Before I am like his qualified and good brain, and I am editor, but Prabhupada Harikatha, this is like his powerhouse to come, some power like bulb inside is come, then light, some this. Other instrument inside is going, then there is working. Same Prabhupada, this Harikatha, Prabhupada telling, everybody is Haridas. They are not Mayadas. Mayadas, they are not identity. This wasting this life and serving in Mayadevi's this world, they are number one foolish. Then ignorance people, they are not qualified. Qualified people thinking about soul. Prabhupada like giving lectures, hearing, and they are looking many sannyasi, Tidandi sannyasi, very qualified, and then he is meeting with them, taking interview. Taking interview, they are giving interview, small matter is speaking, but everything is like his heartfelt touch. Then he is 1929, his Prabhupada near took shelter. And Prabhupada has desire. He know good English, then he is sending Bombay preaching for. And what giving him? 12 canto Bhagavatam. First to 12. Ki ye Bhagavad Dharma, you only preaching Bhagavad. Like Mahaprabhu giving Sri Bhagavad, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami. Telling you go Vrindavan, only speaking Bhagavatam and making everybody Bhagavat. So Narottam Prabhu, for Prabhupada Sachaku giving this Bhagavatam, is Bhagavat Prachar. Bas. And Bhagavat essence, Bhagavat, anybody not know. Then this Narottam Brahmachari, he is all big meeting hall, everywhere. He is now preaching this Srimad Bhagavatam. This many Prabhupada Sachakur time, many temple, many like arranging this museum, many prachar for sending this Narottam Brahmachari. After Prabhupada Sachakur last time, he is giving him this 19 like 35 11th May giving this certificate, telling Narottam Brahmachari Bara Sudhi, how is Pandit and Vidwan, how is qualified, how is Brahmachari great scholar, telling Sadbhakta Yukto Nana Gunaropi. He has all good qualities. He is what doing? First is Gaudiya Math. Anywhere going, speaking Harikatha. What is meanings of Gaudiya Math? Gaudiya Math is this building, a structure, a farmhouse, yes, this all garden, books. He is saying Bhagavat Ras, Harikatha. This is Gaudiya Math. Anybody is near is this Harikatha, Bhagavat Rasa, then that place is Gaudiya Math. This is center, this is temple, ashram. Otherwise, structure and figure, big hills, Himalaya. What is there? Himalaya has no sadhu, no bhakta, then Himalaya only ice cream. Not cream, only ice. Cold. So telling this building is not his Gaudiya Math. Vaishnava, Mahabhagavat, Guru Varga, continue speaking Harikatha, Harirasa, this is Gaudiya Math. Gaudiya meanings, Srimati Radharani's Marsi Vishtu. This is Vishwamanapur. This is Brajapattan. And they are going, Jalapattan, Mayapattan going, Mayarasa. Gaudiya Math going, Bhagavat Rasa. Not like this mellow. Very subtle. No need anything. You are going Gaudiya Math, automatic there is Kirtan, Rasa flowing. Harinam, Rasa flowing. You sitting there, automatic change coming. That Prabhupada is saying, this Chaitanya Math, Brajapattan, Avidyaharan Natmandari. This assembly, Kirtan hall, you sitting, there your Avidya, Asmita, Rag, Des, Abhinivesh, all Anartha, everything removing. You only going and sitting there. That place is Brajapattan. This is Gaudiya Math. Not Harirasa, no Harikirtan, not Harikatha, not Harinam. So this is cremation place. Dry, only suffer. So telling, he is going for preaching everywhere. He is all near distributing this, Gaudiyas, this mercy, Gaudiyas, Bhakti Ras. Telling, Sevate Shraddha Sammagai, Ekantika, Emalasaya. Jiva try again and again, I will be clean, I will be ekantik, not possible. Bina satsanga, na pavahi prani. Bina satsanga vivaka na hoye. Ram kripa bina sulabh na soye. Without God mercy, no sadhu available. Without sadhu's mercy, not vivek, no brain. Good and bad, no understanding. Right and wrong, no understanding. So he is making everybody's Himalaya complete clean. And also smooth and qualified. Now telling Dham Pracharani Sabha, all sadhus are very happy with him. He is like lotus. He is worshipping on heart with his everybody. Like not Notonki. Many people preaching for going, collecting. What collecting? Heart collecting? No, wealth collecting. Money, how much giving? But Gurudev going for prachar, Western country, what is say? I am not coming for you near anything. I need your heart. You give me? Then I am the one washing, cleaning. I am making Vrindavan garden, Seva Kunjo. Service center of Srimati Radharani, Krishna's for. So Maharaj like his lotus, like his offering for, ready. This is Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur, not only all Vishwa Vaishnava Raj Sabha, all Vaishnava, they are giving his name Bhakti Kamal. Like this, Swami Prabhupada for giving name, what? Prabhupada Bhakti Vedanta. Before Bhakti Vedanta, not Vedanta Samitis, this propriety. Param Gurudev starting Bhakti Vedanta by Prabhupada mercy. Why? Prabhupada giving him all Vedanta, all Veda, all Upanishad, Prabhupada giving. Then Kirti Ratna, he is only qualified for Vedanta Upanishad, I am giving him. Therefore he is opening Vedanta Samiti. But before Param Gurudev, Prabhupada Saraswati direct giving Abhay Charan, Abhay Babu, name Bhakti Vedanta title. Same here, giving Prabhupada him Bhakti Kamal. Telling Ityate Upadi Bhushanam Muda, this is ornaments. This is his Guru's mercy, Guru's presentation, Guru giving title not only. This is my property. After he is telling this Mayapur, Dhamo, Jogapit, there is he is serving. How serving? First, Jogapit arranging one Rath, car festival starting. Madhudan Maharaj is requesting Prabhupada, oh, Mahaprabhu sometime going Jogapit and Jogapit to Brajapattan. Then arranging one very nice Rath. And also how he is preaching, telling Falgun Purnima, Gaur Purnima, Mahaprabhu appears and Mahaprabhu service for 1,000 million crore people come. But Prabhupada telling, oh, Narottamananda Prabhu, this, he is giving Harikatha. And also nice Kirtan. And all Brahmachari, Sannyasi with him, they are like hour to hour doing Kirtan. This Kirtan also it is, everybody is like it's floating. So these things happen after he is Param Gurudev near a long time, after he is opening center. First is Bardhaman, and after is one Mayapur, and after another one, 3 center he has now. His Acharya, this today, return of Jatra before day, Maharaj is Mayapur, he disappears. And there is his Samadhi temple. Samadhi is giving there. That time I am within Gurudev in Navadvip. All are there is gone. Very nice all program. Peaceful. Mayapur all Vaishnava came. His Samadhi's ceremony after festival. One time Gurudev telling, he is left this Devananda Gaudiya, he is going, new center opening. Then he is thinking कि Maharaj is going with him, Trivikram Maharaj also going with him. But Param Gurudev telling, no need going, you staying here. Then very disturbed sometime for too much pain. Maharaj say this is sometime how forget this is not possible. But after Madhusudan Maharaj said no, to take Diksha, serving Guru Maharaj. But continue, Maharaj glorify Bhakti Kamal Madhusudan Maharaj. Many times Mathura, his disciples are coming, staying, and Maharaj is nicely teaching them also, helping them. Sometimes 6 months, Maharaj disciples are Gurudev helping. Time, therefore, looking everything, telling his Dibba Swarup and his out and in, not duplicity, clean. Therefore, possible cleaning and purifying everybody. So today is his disciple day. Also tomorrow, return Rath Yatra. Tomorrow is Sayan Ekadashi. So tomorrow, to many Gaudiya Mata, other 4 months Chaturmasya starting. But our Sampradaya, Prabhupada Sasi Thakur, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, the Param Gurudev, Purnima to starting Chaturmasya Brata. So this tomorrow Sayan Ekadashi, but this Chaturmasyas rule regulations very important. Neglecting then is lost everything. Now many people is asking, oh, how left in tomato 4 months, all are left in tea, coffee and wine, meat, everything left. Now is also tomato not eating. Also some country has problem, 9 months in ice. Now 3 months is very good time, spring season, now growing tomato. Also big size. Also not one color, many color tomato. They are very sad. Oh, Chaturmasya starting and also not taking tomato. After they asking some other country, oh, that time telling beans not taking, but not writing soybean for. That time no soybean. They are not writing soybean. So soybean what problem? Tofu, very nice. Otherwise no protein, nothing. But Chaturmasya very strong. Really Chaturmasya followers, Rishi Maharshi, Brahmasi, they are what doing? Morning to Nam Sankirtanam, other Yajna, other Parikrama, Bhagavad classes, everything. Evening time, they are cooking, boiling something. Like before Mathura, many years all are following. And after 3 o'clock, some boiling rice inside is giving, some potato, yeah, some sabji, anything available, only giving little salt and top of little, possible then ghee. Boiling and offering bhoga, this is taking one time, once a day. No morning, no evening. Purushottam Vrata like same. Ekadashi, Nirjala, night time also nothing, daytime nothing, no sleeping, very strong, very hard. One time I am Bhubaneswar, Purushottam Vrata. Then with me many brahmachari. So I am cooking many things, bhoga for. After nobody eating, no, all fasting. Night time 2 o'clock, in kitchen a sound. I am thinking, why sound? Cat is came. I am going and on brahmachari I am looking. Very tall and strong. He is all eating. I say, what happened? Say, my Ekadashi is finished, now is Paran I am doing. Cannot tolerate it. But anyhow, that time, one time is gone. Now, this summer and hard. Therefore, eating for, left for this is not no need fasting for. Thinking every day, Sankha Purvak Naam. Harinam chanting every day. Every day reading 1-2 slokas Srimad Bhagavatam, yet Srimad Bhagavad Gita. every day starting, tomorrow Ekadashi too, कि I am never left, every day 2 verses, okay, no possible memorizing, only reading, or all meanings, I am only repeating, Srimad Bhagavatam, this our little desire for bhakti's purpose, bhajan purpose, then God help coming, Krishna's help coming, Guru's help coming. Tomorrow, and also Guru Purnima day, Vaisdeva appears day. Everything now slow coming and glorifying. So tomorrow Ekadashi, then meanings all are fasting Nirjala, then no Harinam, no Kirtan, no Seva. Anybody only lifetime, one time following Chaturmasya, then there anything doing happen. But continue Chaturmasya and continue everything, then no need like this hot job, hard austerity, no need. Simple. Anything is equal, like little things taking fruit and roots. But important is I will be sick and then nothing I am doing, I am disturbing others. More than better taking something, maintaining, chanting Harinam, everyday Kirtan, Harikatha class, Seva, everything running, but everyday reading something. Also before all our Chaturmasya starting, then everyday offering Pranam, Mahaprabhu, also this name is Krishna, Radharani, all are praying. Bhakti Swarup Siddhantika Maharaj temple, every day after Bhogarati, they are all sitting front of, standing and praying. Glorify Krishna, Mahaprabhu, Radharani. Many sloka with this. They are rules, all temple. They have 3-4 temple, this is their rules. So, morning Kirtan, evening Kirtan. Now here is morning Harikatha, afternoon, evening. Tisandha Kirtita Stabadhane Bhai. Guru Mercy coming, Tisandha. One morning, one afternoon, one evening. Every day, afternoon Harikatha running, then Kirtan until last year, Chaturmasya until 3 o'clock. This year no, this is until 2 o'clock. Why 10:30, 10 o'clock coming, first Kirtan, after is Harikatha, after is next Arati, after Kirtan. Then 2 o'clock, everybody Kirtan after, then Prasadam. Otherwise, you know, Tulsidas what saying? राम नाम के आलसी भोजन के होशियार. तुलसी कहते हैं ऐसे को बारंबार है धिक्कार. Tulsidas is saying, Ram Nam chanting for lazy, Harinam for lazy, other things for very expert. What? Harinam for lazy. That time not possible. Anyhow, by trick, by hook and crook, morning program, afternoon program, evening program, better. Anyhow, Harinam hearing, Harinam singing, Harikatha hearing, then Chaturmasya will be good. Otherwise, no Chaturmasya. After tomorrow to starting Ekadashi, Sayan Ekadashi, special Ekadashi's glories. How Ekadashi will be coming, and who giving for sleep, who is persons for? All, she is very clever. And we are doing bhajan, they are near to all maya, or sleep, or anartha, taking and giving is ignorance person. Dakai, thief, all gunda, or badmas, everybody is giving a lot of sleep. Any stupid nonsense, they are lot of sleeping. Why? Rainy season, very nice, this snoring and sleeping. 18 hours, 20 hours sleeping. Very good, this is very good. Jani se sarvabhutanam tasyang jagrati sanjami. जैसे हम जागृति संयमी सानिशा पश्य तो मुने टू मच स्लीप आई से दिस इज योर गुड स्ट्रेटजी वेरी नाइस समाधि योग होली धाम इज स्लीपिंग वेरी नाइस थिंग्स गुड लक बट स्वयं एकादशी देवी anybody try to do seva and chaturmasya following, they are near to taking all anartha and all sleep and giving other person. You already free. So tomorrow hearing this Ekadashi's glories. Gaur Pramanande. बोलो भक्ति कमाल मधुसूदन गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। तदीय तिरुभाव तिथि महोत्सव की जय। तदीय तिरुभाव तिथि पालनकारी भक्त वृंद की जय। गौड़ीय गुरुवर्ग की जय। समवेत गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। गौर प्रमानंदे। हरि हरि बोल। श्रीनिवास जी के लड़का उद्घाटन कर रहे हैं।